Hello friends! Nandito kami sa Chinese restaurant dito. We're waiting for our order kasi gutom na kami. Yan. Yan si Daddy. Yan. Worked very hard today. Namintura siya guys. Natapos niya yung isang bunga. How many rooms, Daddy? How many units did you finish? Like about 4 units daw. Yan. So, good job, Daddy. Nagle-labor si Daddy. Charot. Gutom na ko. Nag-order ang asawa ko ng ng isda para sa akin. Yan si Daddy. Tignan nyo yung nila guys. Yung utensils nila. Gold. Nice. Gutom ka na, Nak? You're hungry? Nice siya. So, in front of this restaurant, guys, yung Correo. Bali, yun yung... Sorry? Yeah. Oh, okay. Good. Perhaps I will try. Yeah, dyan yung municipality nila. Tapos, dyan din yung post office nila. So, ito na yung order namin. Rachel has fries at saka nuggets. And then those, we're not sure if those are beef or chicken. So,
Or pork.
yeah, we're gonna ask. Tapos ito ang aming fried rice. And that looks yummy. Busy na naman si Daddy on his phone. Lamig na?
Yeah, tama.
Ang nila guys, ang soup is very good. Very, very good. And then the rice as well, it's perfect. I'm just waiting for my order. Yung isda. How's your food? So good. Gusto ko yung yun. And this is our order. Ayan. Ito yung sa akin. Looks good. Sobrang sarap talaga ng food nila dito, guys. Ito, yan. Everything. But we don't eat this because this is pork. So, we'll just get a leave it. But anyway, kung mapunta kayo dito guys, in front of the Correos, hindi ko nakuha yung name ng restaurant, but I'm gonna put it here on the description below later. Yeah, it's really good. And malinis yung area nila guys. Okay, so yeah, try it. Okay. So yan yung Correos guys. So, yan, that's their municipality. Dito kami, ayan. That's the name of the restaurant. So, nandito kami guys sa Mega Super store. Maliit lang siya na store guys. So, like this. Yeah. Nandito tayo sa produce. Yuca, paborito ng asawa ko. Karamihan talaga sa mga Caribbean guys, mahilig sila sa yuca. Para din tayo sa di ba? Sa Pilipinas, lalo na yung mga Bisaya, dyan. And then, plantain. Mahilig din sila sa plantain, guys. So, one of the biggest banana plantation in the world, I think, is Costa Rica. Lang. It's good. I want more. Okay. Yeah. Did we buy this before?
ABC Wacken. Scissors.
We gotta get the ramen. Oh, ito guys, lang siya. Medalla de Oro. Yan, 1,000 lang siya. 1 meal. So, it's $2. Dang! Ito yung Peter Pan na brand. Yan. Tinutokso ako. Oh my gosh. Oh no, but look, this is actually smaller. See, it's smaller.
But if you want to get one of these and then get the other one too, if you want.
The small one, this.
Yeah.
Okay. So, naghahanap ako ng Clorox. At saka ito. Wait, 1,600. Oh, do we need this, Daddy?
And so
Yeah, it's 1,475.